Hi everyone, Taylor here from VT headset. Today I'm so excited to announce the new release of a VT wireless DECT headset, the W310U. It is designed to help you excel in a hybrid work environment. In today's world, having the right technologies and tools is essential to staying productive and connected no matter where you are. And that's exactly where the W310U comes in.
Unlike traditional DECT systems, the W310U is ultra-portable. It has a compact DECT dongle 300U that plugs directly into your computer's USB port. Setting it up is effortless. Just press and hold the dongle for about 5 seconds. When the blue light starts flashing rapidly, your pairing is complete. One of the key advantages of a DECT over Bluetooth is that DECT has a far greater range. The included 300U dongle ensures reliable connectivity up to 150 meters from your laptop. Whether you're at home or in the office, it gives you the freedom to move around during calls. The W310U offers up to 8 hours of talk time, providing the wireless freedom you need throughout your workday. Equipped with environmental noise cancellation technology, your voice will be heard clearly on every call, even in noisy surroundings. Compatibility is key in hybrid work setups, and the W310U works seamlessly with major UC platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and software such as 3CX, offering easy call control and integration. Comfort is also a priority. The soft ear call cushions are detachable and replaceable, and the moderate clamping force ensures the headset stays securely in place, even if you lower your head without causing discomfort or worrying about it getting loose or falling off. The 300U DECT dongle includes a ringtone feature and integrates seamlessly with UC Bridge. The ringtone is off by default, but you can easily turn it on through UC Bridge. Overall, the W310U is engineered for hybrid work, combining portability, productivity, and professionalism to help you excel in any work setting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and follow our page to stay informed about our latest product updates and insights. We appreciate your support and look forward to connecting with you again. See you soon.